The 1964 Pontiac GTO, it takes the top spot for one simple reason. It's the one that started everything. Before the GTO, big engines went in big cars, and small cars stayed slow. Then a few Pontiac engineers did something almost sneaky. They took a mid-sized Tempest and stuffed a massive 389 V8 into it, going around their own company's rules to do it. They borrowed the name GTO straight from Ferrari, charged less than $300 for the option, and lit a fuse under the entire industry. Historians agree on this one. The 64 GTO is the first true muscle car. Every car on this list, and thousands more, exists because of it. Number 2. The Ford Mustang, and specifically the wildest one, the 1969 Boss 429. The Mustang arrived in 1964 and sold in the millions in just 3 years, faster than anything Detroit had ever seen. But the Boss 429 is the one that gets the heart pounding. Ford wanted to go racing in NASCAR, and a loophole said the engine just had to be sold in some production car. So they crammed their biggest, meanest 429 V8 into the little Mustang. It barely fit. The result was the most powerful Mustang of its era and a street legend that still defines the words pony car. Number 3. The 1969 Dodge Charger RT. If the GTO is the founding father, the '69 Charger is the movie star. That long fastback body, the hidden headlights, the full-width taillights, it might be the best-looking muscle car ever built, and Hollywood agreed. This is the General Lee from the Dukes of Hazzard, and the car Vin Diesel can't stop driving in Fast and Furious. Order it with the legendary 426 Hemi, and you had a 4,000-pound bruiser that ruled NASCAR ovals and Main Street alike. Nothing on 4 wheels has ever looked meaner just sitting still. Number 4. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SAS 454 in its ultimate LS6 form. This is the one that wins the bar fight over raw power. That huge 454 V8 was rated at 450 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, the single highest rating of the entire classic muscle era. Let that sink in. In 1970, this plain family-shaped coupe made more power than Chevy's own Corvette. It would run the quarter mile in the low 13s, flat-out supercar territory back then. If the muscle car era had a heavyweight champion, the LS6 Chevelle wore the belt. Number 5. The Plymouth Hemi Cuda, the Holy Grail. This one isn't here because it's the most famous. It's here because it's the rarest and most worshipped muscle car on the planet. Drop the legendary 426 Hemi into a Cuda, and you had something special. But in 1971, they built only a tiny handful of Hemi convertibles and just a few of those with a manual. How rare! One of them sold at auction for $3.5 million. Most people will never see one in person. To collectors, the Hemi Cuda sits at the very top of the pyramid. And number 6, the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. While everyone was chasing the Mustang, Chevy fired back with this and built a rival that's still roaring nearly 60 years later. The Z28 was the sharp one, built lean for Trans Am racing, while the big block SS models brought the brute force. The Camaro never had the single wildest story on this list, but it had something rarer: staying power. It squared up against the Mustang from day one and never once backed down. That rivalry is a big part of why muscle is still alive today.